7 days after the mob violence arson that we witnessed, all caught on camera in Nagpur. A curfew is being lifted from locations, but while the decision has been made after law enforcement agencies reviewed the status, but police patrol will continue for a while, especially in communally sensitive areas, and there's been heavy deployment of local police. Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis is saying that the situation is peaceful now. People of all communities living together in harmony. But the opposition continues to train guns at Devendra Fadnavis-led Mahayuti Sarkar, questioning the law and order status in the state. Interestingly, RSS leader Dattatreya Hosbale has weighed in on this row, and he's criticizing advocates of the Ganga Jamuna Tehzeeb culture, so to say. He's saying it's that culture that made an icon even of a brutal Mughal emperor Aurangzeb, while overlooking his own brother Dara Shikoh, who in fact is known and documented to champion social harmony.
स्थिती अतिशय शांततापूर्ण आहे. कुठेही त्या ठिकाणी तणाव नाही. सर्व धर्मीय लोक नीट एकत्रितपणे राहत आहेत. त्यामुळे संचारबंदीची आवश्यकता नाही म्हणून ती हटवण्यात आली आहे.
सब ठीक है, कोई ऐसा इशू नहीं है अभी, और सभी जगह पे जो है सामान्य जीवन है. आप देख सकते हैं सभी जो दुकानें, सभी एस्टेब्लिशमेंट्स जो हैं सब खुली हुई हैं. अभी तक 13 FIR हो चुके हैं और उसमें लगभग 110 से ज़्यादा 115 से ज़्यादा लोग जो हैं इसमें हिरासत में हैं और आगे कार्रवाई चल रही है.
Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis to table the final report in front of the Assembly, as well as to the people of the state and to the people of Nagpur, who have been largely peaceful. They've never seen this kind of a communal violence, and why tempers rose to such an extent that gave way to rumors, that gave way to violence, is something that the Home Minister will need to explain to the state of Maharashtra. It is a politics that suits the Bharatiya Janata Party. However, you have taken Maharashtra into a totally different trajectory, which is unfortunate. And I think once we have all the details, all those who are guilty of spreading these rumors, spreading these lies, and taking law in their own hand should get the severest punishment possible.
So remember, ever since the film that was released, the film Chhaava, has led to a lot of debates, discussions, but it was about 7 days ago when it led to mob violence and arson after Hindu groups organized a protest against Aurangzeb, demanding the removal of Aurangzeb's tomb. And then there was a mob constituting of Muslim men specifically, many of them masked with sticks and rods, who went on rampage. Some of them have been now taken in custody, and of course investigation is on in this case. I go across to my colleague Vidya now for the latest on that. Vidya, what is the situation that you hear in Nagpur right now? Chief Minister says all well, all under control, but there could be remnants of what we saw and the investigation part of it.
Well, of course, the investigation will take a while. Remember, some of the people are still on the run. They're absconding is what the Nagpur police has been stating clearly. So, one of the reasons why the steps were being taken as stringent, and as we had seen Devendra Fadnavis himself camping in Nagpur, trying to make sure that the situation comes back to normalcy. He did speak some very tough words while stating that there will be action taken. As far as, in fact, a lot of people said that there would be action of demolition. The demolition, of homes or offices of those who are involved in this entire incident would also be taken on the lines that used to happen in Uttar Pradesh. Is what something that the Maharashtra administration has been speaking quite often. And in fact, they have been trying to make sure that there is a strong message that is sent to the rioters to make sure that nothing like this really untoward really happen. No one takes law into their hand and tries to do justice on the streets. Is something that the Maharashtra police is also trying to ensure.
All right, so we'll be tracking more on that from Nagpur. Will the situation return to normalcy, or could there be another flare-up? For now, thank you very much, Vidya, for the latest.